Friends, good evening wherever you find this video. Thank you so much for joining me again. Let's talk about Palantir. Man, I do not have enough money. I have no money left to put in this stock. I tell you what, it is going crazy. So if you know, you know. Obviously at this point, Palantir has locked in 3 major deals here, still one of which is still happening right in front of us. Now these deals have not brought in revenue yet, which is what we want to focus on here. But Palantir has already been a company, a stock that has really been on people's mind here. We were talking about this last year when we were like, these government contracts are getting even bigger. Revenue, it's okay, it's not great, it's not what we wanted, it's a little less than what we were expecting. But now on top of this first big government contract, over a week ago now, then another one, and we're wondering, like, is there going to be another one at this point? And this is what really builds companies. When they start getting these big contracts like this, it drives in more contracts because it gets the attention of other companies like, well, maybe we should work with them too. And right now, Palantir has this leading software that is really capturing a lot of people, a lot of companies' attentions, that is going to benefit into the AI sector here more as we advance into the future. So it is really grasping investors' attention 100%, and you would have to be crazy not to look at Palantir here. I mean, you would just have, you're throwing away money at this point, friends. So when we look at the actual stock here, this week was the hottest week we had. We were playing right at a 17 for just a few moments here on June 7th. And then we had major sell-off throughout the whole market. Not crazy sell-off, not like the boat sinking here. Just, we pretty much knew this was coming. We had like 2 weeks straight of hot market in, Palantir. And we were waiting for a sell-off. Now it rebounded, it came back almost to a 16 again, so it survived. It's doing well. It's not like it's bad here. The question is, what are we looking at the rest of the year here with this company? Everyone is making crazy projections right now, and it's okay to make crazy projections. That's the fun of investing in a stock. You don't know what's going to happen here. I mean, look at Tesla. Tesla just keeps going up. So many people, I watch, it's like every year I watch it. Analysts say Tesla's done, it's not going to do much more. It's pretty much hit a wall. Then it has a split. Then it keeps going up. It's just the same thing with Tesla. People keep saying it's not going to do much more. And Palantir here is kind of in a little bit of a fun situation where we've had these 3 big contracts. We don't know what's coming around the corner tomorrow. The big thing now is that this movement that we've seen on Palantir has generally just been on news. It has not been based on money. We have not seen quarterlies from any of this. So the one big thing right now why a lot of investors are loading up so heavily right now on this stock is because they're waiting for the next quarterlies. They know they are waiting for this quarterly to come out here, because these contracts are obviously, what are they going to do? They're going to start paying a percentage on these contracts to Palantir, which is going to start to bring in mass revenue on top of what the company was already projected to do this year. So this is what could potentially drive up the stock into a $20, a $30, a $40 range this year. Now, more than likely, we've seen the high here. We've seen this 17. We're just going to call it 17. More than likely, we're going to play around this high 14 to a low 17 with Palantir, maybe for a week or two if we don't see more news come in. Now, obviously, I hope I'm completely wrong, and I hope this thing continues to run. I hope it continues to run up here, and I hope we see another deal take place. So that is really where we're at right now. That is like the black and white situation of what's going on with this company. I'm not going to talk numbers and everything because there's already been so many people talking about this, and really I'm just putting this out here because this is going to be for me in the long run when I can come back years from now when I was so young into this company, and where it's going to be in the future here. But make no mistake about it, this is going to take time to really see something happen here. But as long as all these contracts stay in place and they actually happen here, by the end of this year, by the end of December, plus so young into this year, we're only in the middle of this year so far. We're still pretty new into the year for contracts. If Palantir here gets 1 or 2 3 more contracts here that are even $500 million or $250 million, this is going to significantly make a crazy difference in the stock and where it's going to go. Make no doubt about it, it will dramatically push the stock even more. So friends, if you are not looking at this company, please, out of all the stupid things I've said, I've gotten things right and I've gotten things wrong, like all of us. Please, the writing's on the wall with what is going on right now with this company and what are they projected to do. And there's still so much coming that we don't even know about yet. And that's the fun of the game right now with Palantir. So please look into it. Please do your due diligence. And $100 by the end of the year with Palantir, is that possible? I think it's very possible, because I think we've seen crazier things happen in the market. I think we've all seen stocks get really pushed and really taken to a level, even if they're not even supposed to be at that price, based on just information. And the fact that Cathie Woods has already put such a massive investment in this stock, and we know Cathie Woods loves to come back months later and put more money into a company, that potentially could happen as well if they even get another deal on top of all these other deals. So friends, this is probably going to be the hottest stock and the best stock of the year of 2023, as long as all this stuff continues to happen for this company. It is an exciting time to be an investor. It is an exciting time to be an investor in Palantir. Friends, I wish all of you the best of luck with this one. I'm going to continue to talk about it because I love it and I'm really excited. Man, I'm really excited about this. So, like I said, friends, best of luck. I really do mean that for all of us. I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.